What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best white motherboard. We have created a list of some of the best white motherboards that are not just feature-filled but also priced fairly. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 white motherboards. Number 1. Asus Prime Z390, a white motherboards. The Asus Prime Z390A is a powerful motherboard with ultimate performance and features. It has everything you need in the best white motherboard. It does not come with inbuilt Wi-Fi, that's a real bummer. With a Z390 chipset board, there is no possible need to sacrifice additional features such as multiple GPU configurations. It is fixed with heat skins to support the chipset, and the M.2 slot is also used. It is also featured with the RGB header. Number 2. Asus Prime Z390P white motherboards. The Asus Prime Z390P is a fairly priced and just about right featured motherboard that fits the PC build effortlessly. When it comes to cooling, there are 4 X-fan headers, which include the CPU fan for RGB and header. The Asus Prime Z390P motherboard has white accents over the back PCB, which is a much better design as compared to the Prime Z390A. It supports 4x SATA ports and 2x M.2 ports for storage. It is a fine piece of hardware that complements a white PC build well. Number 3. NZXT N7Z390 white motherboards. You cannot deny the fact that the world of PCs has transformed into a whole new enterprise, and things are easy and less time-taking to produce. The NZXT N7Z390 is a solid premier white motherboard. It is a representation of the pricey nature of fewer sales. The boards in the NZXT N7Z390 are typically dual gigabit Ethernet, and the absence of Gen 2 controls leaves a gap in the I/O platform. The N7Z390 has avoided resource sharing. If you want to buy this motherboard to complement your PC build, Number 4. Asus Prime X470 Pro white motherboards. The Asus Prime X470 Pro has a sleek design with the silver heatsinks and an integrated M.2 cooler. This motherboard also supports DDR4 with 3600 MHz memory. It also features some RGB lighting. The 4 DDR4 DIMM slots are located at the edge of the board, and they are color-coded for the dual-channel operation. The Asus Prime X470 Pro motherboard supports up to 64 GB. There are 6 SATA 6 GB per second ports at a 90-degree angle. Number 5. Asus Prime X570p White Motherboards. Asus Prime X570p has a white and silver design for its chipset heatsink, which is actively cooled. This motherboard is equipped with 2 full-length PCI Express 4.0 slots. This motherboard has 2 M.2 slots for storage. The rear panel of the Asus Prime X570p features 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A ports, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports. There are 4 DIMM slots with support for DDR4 memory up to 128 GB. What seems to an adequate-looking heatsink.